Hello students, good morning everyone. In the previous lecture we have seen the parts of speech. Yes, in that parts of speech we have seen noun. Noun is a one kind of part of speech. It means that noun is a part of parts of speech. But in today's lecture we are going to learn about various kinds of noun. It means that noun, noun means what? A name of person or name of thing. In that noun topic there are various kinds of noun. So these kinds of noun today we will learn. Now let's see. First see the definition of noun. A noun is a word used as the name of person, place or thing. Noun means what? A name of person or name of thing or name of place. That we call a noun. So noun, there is various kinds of noun. So from that kinds of noun today we will learn first three kinds of noun. These are proper noun, common noun and collective noun. So these are the first three kinds of noun. Proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Now let's start. First, proper noun. Now proper noun means what? It is a name of a particular person or place. It is a name of a particular person or place. It means that if in your class so many girls and so many boys are there, but from that boys and from that girls, particular Ram is another boy, then Sita is another girl. It means that in your class every girl's and every boy's name is different. Okay, everyone's name is different. It means that that specific person's personality is different. It means that that person is different. So it is a name of a particular person or place. It is a proper noun means what? It is a name of a particular person or particular place or particular thing, but not in group. It means that in your class, again say, in your class girls are there and boys are there. Okay, so from that girls and boys, every girl's name is different and every boy's name is different. So that particular name boy and particular name of girl is known as a proper noun. Particular name of one girl and particular name of another boy, that is different. So that particular name we call as a proper noun. Now next is a common noun. So common noun means what? It is a name given in common to every person. It is a name given common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. It means that, let's see one more time that same example. Like in your class, if there is girls and boys, so from that girl is a group of girl. So you can't say the specific girl name. There is group of girls. Okay, so that girls is a common noun. It means that in another word we can say it is a general noun also. General noun means what? There are lots of girls, not only in class but in school. There are lots of girls. In your area there are lots of girls. In your area lots of boys also. So girls, boys, then car, building, these are the common noun. It means that not only one thing, there are lots of things. In that case we call that is a common noun. Let's see example. Ashoka was a king. Now in this sentence, Ashoka was the only one king. Yes, Ashoka was the only one king. No another king was Ashoka. So Ashoka is name of specific person. Ashoka is name of specific person. So Ashoka is a proper noun. Okay, is a name of specific person. So is a proper noun. And king. Ashoka was a king. So king is a common noun because king we can use in general form also. It means that not only Ashoka, but there were lots of kings was also there. So king we call as a common noun. It means that king is a we use as a general form also. General form means not only one king, there are lots of kings. So Ashoka was a king. So in that sentence, Ashoka is proper noun and king common noun. One more example. Smita is a girl. Smita is a girl. So Smita is a name of specific person. Is name of specific person. So Smita is proper noun. Name of specific person is known as a proper noun, and girl is a common noun because there are lots of girl. So girl is a common noun. Then India is a country. India is a country. So India, in whole world, India only one country. Yes, na? There is no another country name India. So India is only one country. So India is a proper noun and country. There are lots of countries in whole world. So country is a common noun. Another example, like see, if we enter in our house, we can see that we live all family members in our home. Yes. So every family members, every person's name is different. Yes. So that name of person we called as a proper noun. And if we say, like if we think about our area, there are lots of families. So that we known as a common noun. Now next is collective noun. Now collective noun means what? It is a name of number or collection of person or thing. Means if we are saying about any group, okay, if we are saying something about any group or crowd, okay, or collection of people, that time we use a collective noun. It means that it is a name of number of or collection of person. Number of means there are not only 2 or 3 number of person. There are lots of person staying or standing, or we are saying about that person as a group. Okay. So person or things taken together and spoken of as whole as. Whole means all group of that person. It means that if we are thinking or if we are saying or if we are writing about group of person or group of thing or crowd of person or number of things, that noun we known as a collective noun. Example, the police disperse the crowd. The police disperse the crowd. Now in this sentence, crowd is a collective noun because in crowd there are lots of people. Yes, so crowd is a collective noun. And police is a proper noun. Police is a proper noun and crowd is a collective noun. Next example, Indian army defend to the attack. Indian army defend to the attack. Now in this sentence, army means a group of soldiers. There are lots of soldiers in one group. It means that army. So army is a collective noun. So let's see one more time. A noun is a word used as a name of person, place or thing. Noun means what? A name of person or name of thing or name of place. There are lots of kinds of noun. From that kinds of noun today we have seen proper noun, common noun and collective noun. So proper noun means what? It is a name of particular or specific person or specific place or specific thing. It means a proper noun. And common noun means what? In general we use that name of person or thing. In general means we can't say like there is only one thing of that. If there are lots of things about that, then we use in a general noun as common noun. For example, like king, girl, boy, car, like that. And collective noun means if there are number of person or number of thing, or collection means lots of person or lots of thing, or if there is collection of people, then collection of thing we are speaking about, that known as a collective noun. It means that crowd, group, like that. So we have seen proper noun, common noun and collective noun. In exam, you have to write, you will give one sentence. Okay, from that sentence you have to determine which is proper noun, which is common noun, or which is collective noun. This type of example you will get in your exam. Thank you.